Hey there, how are you? This is Geoff Blake, and this is Adobe InDesign CS5 101. If you're brand new to InDesign, or maybe you've been using InDesign for just a little while, you're definitely in the right spot, because over the course of the next few hours, we're going to be taking an in-depth look at InDesign, and you're going to see all kinds of different techniques and tricks to really get the most out of the application. Let's take a quick look at some of the different topics that we'll be addressing here. And as you can see, it's a pretty lengthy list here. We're going to get started with a look at the InDesign interface. I want to make sure that you're comfortable inside the interface. You can get around inside your documents and this sort of thing. And then the next topic that we're going to jump into is working with our text frames. So we're going to be manipulating and adjusting text frames. We're going to be importing content into our text frames. We're going to be importing some text into our text frames, and then also threading and connecting our text frames together as well. So you see how that works. We're going to take a look at formatting text and understanding some different typographic options that we have available to us inside InDesign. And then we have a bit of a hands-on project. We're going to lay out a business card inside InDesign. So you're going to see lots of different tricks and techniques for actually laying out a real-world document. It's pretty cool. And then from there, it's on to working with shapes. So we're going to be drawing shapes. We're going to be working with color. We'll talk about, I just put here shape management, but what I mean by that is grouping and stacking order and all that great stuff, right? And then it's on to importing graphics. So we're going to import some graphics, JPEGs, TIFFs. We'll work with some Illustrator content. We will work with some Photoshop content. We will also talk about handling our imported graphics and also editing our imported graphics and having InDesign update them for us. And then after that, it's on to another hands-on project, putting it all together, basically taking everything that we've talked about here and putting it together into a layout. So you're going to see how that plays out. And then last but not least, we'll have a discussion on exporting your work to the PDF file format and also packaging your work for commercial reproduction. So lots and lots to get to. I hope you're ready for it all. All right, let's get started.